train your mind to think in English. This is the biggest roadblock of every learner in the way of practicing in English. And they are mentally habitual to translating their native language into English. And whenever we are trying to do this kind of exercise in our mind of translating, this not even slows down our fluency but also creates hesitation. And to avoid this kind of activity, I have a solution for you. That is, first day you can think basic sentences. Like, first day you are saying that I should finish this work before lunchtime, and second day I ought to complete this task before lunchtime. First day you are saying that I might watch this movie tonight, and second day you are saying that I may indulge in a movie tonight. Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to talk about the most common problem which is among many of learners have, that we don't have any partner with whom we can speak in English. So in this video I will unveil strategic, time efficient techniques that will elevate your fluency without unnecessary struggle. But for that you have to stick around this video, and I am promising you, if you are watching this video till the end, definitely as being a learner, you will have a great solution that will help you, that will support you and will revolutionize your practice routine. So without further ado, let's start from the first point, that is ditch passive learning, embrace active learning. That is, many learners think that merely watching videos and reading extensively will help them to speak in English. But what is the bitter truth is that these just watching videos and reading books are not going to help you to speak in English unless you are not practicing actively, like the speaking practice. But watching movies, if you are fond of watching movies and reading books, that can also help you, but you need to apply another technique after doing these activities. Like, first one, you can apply shadowing. Suppose you love to watch any movies, how can you do shadowing exercise is that whenever any dialogue is popping up in front of your eyes, just pause that video over there and instantly practice that sentence. So in this way you can do shadowing practice. Second one is summarization strategy. In this activity, what you can do, that whatever you love to watch, like if you love to watch English content on YouTube, whomever speaker you love to listen, just follow that speaker and just choose that moment when you are sitting in peacefully. Okay, so just try to listen that speaker, and obviously at your first time you would be not able to absorb all the words, and just give to yourself second or third chance, and in every turn you would be able to understand more words. And at the end of this activity of listening, you need to stop that video and try to summarizing the content whatever you have absorbed. Okay, so don't focus on perfection of speaking or practice, because the perfection is completely dependent on the practice, that is related the everyday's practice. Train your mind to think in English. This is the biggest roadblock of every learner. They are mentally habitual to translate their native language into English. But you know that whenever we translate our native language into English, as I have also experienced this thing, this not even slows down our fluency, even creates hesitation as well. To avoid this kind of habit, we can apply some techniques that I will let you know. For instance, first day you are saying that I should finish this work before lunchtime, and second day I ought to complete this task before lunchtime. First day you are saying that I might watch this movie tonight. In second day, you are saying that I may indulge in a movie tonight. In this way, you can progress your sentences, and gradually you will develop your the exercise of directly thinking in English. Third one is speak every day, even if you don't have any partner. See, many of learners have the same complaint that we don't have any partner with whom we can do practice. But who said that you need a partner to speak in English? Here I have some ways that you can do practice alone. Like first one is record yourself in front of camera, or if you like to do mirroring, you can do by standing in front of mirror. Just try to summarize any content whatever you have watched or listen in English only. And second one is that record your voice. If you love to do that, that would be also great technique to improve your fluency. You can write down wrong sentences and correct them just by searching them in Google, and there are many ways to get correct sentence, right? And third one is use AI chat GPT. That is the most common technique to learn English nowadays, I think. But for that, I think chat GPT, you need to have the knowledge of basic English, because sometimes the technical issues, because of technical glitch, the AI chat GPT can give you wrong answer as well. I have heard that from somewhere, but I exactly don't know. You need to have a basic knowledge of grammar so that you can understand the sentences whenever the wrong sentence is given by chat GPT to you. Fourth one is focus on daily using phrases, not just only vocabulary. See, whoever practicing in English are completely uh, overthinker of that. In this way, we can practice in English, or we can improve our fluency. Okay, and sometimes we write down many words in English, as I have also done the same thing. So I just want to tell you my experience. I think that will help you. So whenever you are writing some typical words like exuberant, colossal, perspicuous, these are very difficult words, although the meaning are very easy. But in our daily conversation, we don't use these kind of typical words. So instead of these, you can write down some common phrases like, yes, I completely got it, I have to go shopping. And in this way, you can do you can write down many words, I mean to say, that will help you so that you can use that in real conversational situation. Fifth one is that make English a part of your daily routine. Here I would like to tell you that many times we put our extra efforts into practice, but at the end of the putting all the efforts, we are unable to see expected results. So here I would like to tell you that how can we practice English without wasting a huge amount of time. First one is that you can change your mobile phone completely in English. That is how. See, if you are using social media like Instagrams or Facebook, just try to follow all the accounts who are teaching English, right? I would like to give you my example. That is, when I was using Instagram, especially, I followed every account that those are teaching English. So what benefit I was getting from that, that whenever I was opening Instagram account, every post that automatically popped up in front of my eyes, I was able to learn something. And at the end of this video, I would like to give you one bonus point, that is, just give to yourself only 5 minutes. In this 5 minutes, you have to listen something in English, and you can do shadowing exercise. And after that, after listening something, you can summarize the summary in your words. And as I have told you that don't go for perfection at your first day. because perfection will only come whenever you are doing this every day for a certain period of time. Now I'm going to end up this video, but before that I would like to know that if you found this video helpful, let me know through comments, and also want to know that which tip would you try first. So for the more videos like this, stay tuned, and till then, happy learning, keep learning, and bye bye.